In this video, we're going to show you to install the front suspension level sensor on your Cadillac Escalade located behind your front wheels. Jack up and support your vehicle, grab the wheel, go ahead and rotate it, and what we're looking for is for the notch on a center cap to line up with the notch on the wheel itself. Use a pry tool such as a screwdriver or something similar and get in there, pry that center cap off and set that aside. Using a 22mm socket, go ahead and loosen and remove all of your lug nuts. Once you have all the lug nuts removed, grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Right on the back side behind the strut and spring assembly is going to be your level sensor. It has this actuator rod that goes down here, and there is a bolt right here holding this down. This is going to be a 13mm. We're going to use an extension with a shallow socket. Before we remove that completely, we do want to go ahead and disengage the end here for that link arm. I'm just going to use a pair of hook pliers like this here, like hose pliers. Makes it nice and easy. Just get behind it and just gently pry out. And that should pop that right off. Should get to a point where the bolt will spin out by hand. Now the sensor itself does have an electrical connector going to it. It's on the back side. So that's what we're going to do, just swing it out like this. And you have the clip right here. You use a little pocket screwdriver with your finger. Just gently pry out on that while you can go ahead, while pulling out on the connector. Go ahead and separate that. Go ahead and grab the new unit. Grab that harness, line that up. It has a little lock tab on it, so it's easy to set that up. Push it on until you hear it click. Now on the base here, you not only have a bolt hole, but you have a little tab in the back that will help you line up. You want to make sure that that's good and snug, so once that bottoms out, give it a little bit more. I'm just going to put a little dab of grease right on that little ball end there. Bring that actuator rod down. Go ahead and snap that on. Now at this point here, any suspension component, electronic, you may have to clear codes and it might have to be recalibrated at the dealer. So you want to go ahead and take care of that. If there's any codes on the dash, clear it with a scan tool and then proceed from there. Go ahead and install your wheel. Let's go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started. Once we get those started, we're going to come back and snug them all down. Go ahead and torque down your lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds. You want to try and do this in some sort of crisscross pattern. Grab that center cap, locate a notch in the center cap, line up with a notch in the wheel. Go ahead and tap it on, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.